everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to capture full web page of a website using hidden tool present inside Chrome and Edge browser. So without further more delay, let's begin. So here I will show you using a Chrome. You can use a Microsoft Edge also. So the tricks will remain the same since both uses a Chromium based engine. So I'll just open the Chrome web browser and I'll just visit one website. As you can see, I have visited one website. So this is a complete web page. So let me show you by dragging to the bottom. So this much is the complete web page. So how you can take a full web page screenshot or the screen capture without using any third-party plugins. So let me show you. I don't have any extensions also, so let me show you manage extensions. So you can see here I don't have any screenshot extensions also installed in my Chrome web browser. So how you can capture full web page of a website using a hidden tool. So to find out the hidden tool, what you need to do is just simply you press the F12 on your computer keyboard. Now you can see a window on the right side, right? So this opens the developer tools. Now you can see here on the left side, here you can see a toggle device toolbar. Just click on it. So it will change the layout of your respective web page. So what you can do is you can just resize this web page depending upon how big you want. So we have just selected or resized the web page, and you can see here, scroll down below till the end. So this is almost a web page, right? So now you can see here at the top more options, right? Just click on it. Now you can see below capture screenshot and capture full size screenshot. So if you click on the capture screenshot, then it will just take the screenshot of the visible part of this web page. So I will want to take the complete web page screenshot, so I'll just select the second option. Wait for a few seconds. So finally you can see the screenshot, that is the full web page screenshot, has been auto downloaded. So let us go to the folder where it is being saved and let us check out. So you can see here. So let us zoom this file to the maximum. So you can see here we have taken the complete web page screenshot using this hidden tool or the hidden options present inside the Chrome or Edge browser. So these tricks will work on any Chromium based browser also, not only in Chrome or Edge browser, any Chromium based web browser. So this is how you can capture full web page of a website using hidden tool present inside Chrome and Edge browser. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then definitely you should try it out. And if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.